In front of me is LENOVO Legend Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Accounts and Sync. Then tap on Google. Choose Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password over here. Now it's time to input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!